So, a small video on how to maintain your chain. So for cleaning the chain, we have two methods. One is using a chain cleaner and then applying the lube, and the second thing is like using a brush and clean it with diesel and leave it for some time. The excess grease, whatever it is, it will fall off. And while doing normal motorcycle wash, we will wash the chain again. And this is almost a good condition for the chain. So for lubing it, we can use either Royal Enfield branded chain lube or a motor like this. The easiest way to lube the chain is put the motorcycle on the first gear, turn it on, and let the wheel spin. So if there is too much of dust or grease accumulated in the chain, the movement of the chain will be like bit stuck and it will give a jerk. So once we lube it, the jerk will go off. So there are three things which has to be monitored. One is we have to lube in the middle, and second one is the sides, and third one is the left side. And the last one near the sprocket. If you lube it here, it will come down to the sprocket. That's it. So the chain is lubed. If you want to see how good it is, so this is fresh and it will stand for another 500 kilometers easily. And that's it. So one full bottle of motor lube costs around 245 rupees, and it will come for 3 to 5 chain sprays. So all good. That's it. So I'll end the video here. We meet for the next time. Take care. Bye bye and see ya. And if you're new to this channel, this is our channel name, and do consider subscribing. Thank you.